Hello children. How are you bachas? My Sonu Monu, all good? Yes? Okay. Say good morning teacher. Are you ready for today's lesson? Yes? Say yes teacher. Put your thumbs up like this. Yes teacher. Okay. So, sit down, sit straight and concentrate. Listen to the teacher. Okay? What we are going to do today? Maths workbook. Okay, you all like to do something in maths book, isn't it? Yes, maths is very interesting subject. Correct? So, we are going to do something from the maths workbook, your big maths book. Okay? Now, what we are going to do in this maths workbook, we are going to do the concept same size. Okay? Same size. Now first you will sit down and listen. We will understand the concept and then do the page related to this. Okay children? Yes? Clap for yourself and get ready. Yes. Fold your hands and sit. Teacher will tell you when to open your maths workbook. Okay? But just be ready with your maths workbook. Close it and keep. Okay? Your book, pencil and eraser. And colors. We are going to use colors in this. So, keep all these 4 things ready. Okay, children? Okay. My very good children. Yeah, okay. Now, I said you we are going to do here same size. So, what does that mean? Let us see. Here. Can you see the balls here, children? Yes. They are of the same size? Yes. Both are same? Yes or no? One is big, one is small? No, na? Okay. So, this means same size. Okay. Now, do like this. Not like this. Same. Same size. This is same size. Okay? Both are same. Okay. Now here, see the bags, your school bags. Observe, compare both the things. Yes, look at both the things. Are they same size? Yes? Yes, they are. Okay, so you say yes, teacher. Yes, teacher, same size. Okay. Now pencil. You carry it to school, isn't it? You do your homework with this pencil. Correct? Now, are the pencils of the same size? Same size? Yes? Yes or no? Tell me. If the same size, put your thumbs up. If not same size, down. Same size? Yes. Same size. Okay. Now bottles, your water bottles. Same size? Yes? Observe and compare. Compare both the bottles. Are they of the same size? If yes, thumbs up. Everybody seen? Yes? Both the bottles are same size? Yes or no? Yes? Put your thumbs up. Same size. Okay. Now here, I have a picture of balls here, isn't it? Now tell me children, are the balls of the same size? No. One is big, one is small, isn't it? Not same size, different. They are different. Now see the kites. Compare both the kites. Same size? No. Different size. One is big, one is small. One is big, one is small. They are not same size. Isn't it? Okay. Now, let us see. See the trees here? We have 2 trees here, isn't it? But one tree is tall. And one tree is little short. Tall, short. Tall and short. They are not of the same size, isn't it? Okay. Now let us see next. Now here I have 3 apples, isn't it? Are the apples of the same size? All the 3 apples? No, they are of different size. One is small, one is big, one is bigger. Small, and one is this size and one is a big size, isn't it? Okay, they are not of the same size. Next. Okay, now here, before we do the lesson, children, let us see here, revise little here. First we'll practice on this and then we will do the main page in the book. Okay? Here, can you see the rectangle given inside the margin, inside the box? Yes? Now we are going to compare with the 3 other triangles. Okay? Now tell me which matches? This? Yes, this one matches with the triangle given in the margin. Correct? Now look at this ball. Which ball matches the size? This ball. Isn't it? Correct. Same size. Now see this square here. Which square matches here? 3 squares are given. You have to match. Tell me which matches. Point out. Point to that. Point to the square which is same. Yes, very good. This square is same to the size given in the margin. Isn't it? To the size of the box given in the margin. Same size. Okay. Next, I have one more for you. Okay. Now you are going to tell me now. Okay. Now here, ball is given. Match with the same size. We are going to circle. You point out to me, children. Is the first one same? Is this same size? No. Is this same size? Yes. So we are going to mark that. We are going to circle that. Now look at here. Look at this ball given here. Is this same? No, it is small. This ball is little big. But this ball is of the same size. Okay. Now here we have a ball here. Which ball matches, children, of the same size? Which are the same? This is the same size. So have you understood what we are going to do in the book? I don't want any of you to do any mistake. So we have done practice here before doing it in the book. Okay, children? Now have you got an idea what we are going to do? Yes. Okay. Very good. So shall we start in the maths workbook? Okay. Open your maths workbook. Page number 24. Open, children. Open to page 24. Is everybody ready? Yes? So first you are going to write the date. Write the date first. First write the date. Then write CW, that is class work. Now, what they are asking us to do? Color the thing that is of the same size as the one in the small box. So here they are given you this ball. Can you see this colored ball? Yes. Now we are going to see which is of the same size. First one, no. This one is of the same size. So children, you are going to color it. Okay? You are going to color it. Okay? Very good. Now see this book given here. Let us match with other 3 books. Let us compare with the other 3 books. And tell me which is of the same size. The last one here is of the same size. So children, you are going to color it. Okay. Next, tree here. Tall tree. Observe all the 3 other trees given. Now tell me which matches with the colored tree. The first one matches, isn't it? Okay. Teacher is circling, children, but you are going to color neatly. Okay. Next we have the shirt here, t-shirt here. Tell me which matches. The last one matches here, isn't it? Same size? Okay, very good. We have only one page to do, children. Okay, same size. So I am very much sure that you all have understood the concept same size. Okay. Now children, in our daily life, where do we use this same size? When we wear shoes, isn't it? We wear shoes of the same size, isn't it? Or do we wear one big and one small? No, na? Same size shoes, isn't it? Okay, and earrings. See, teacher is wearing earrings of the same size. Correct? And bangles. Your mama wears bangles in the hand, in both the hands. She wears of the same size. Yes? Okay. Now put your thumb like this. Your thumb like this. Both the thumbs. Are they of the same size? Yes? Yes, correct. Same size. Now your fingers. These both fingers. Look here. Same size, isn't it? Yes? Okay. So this is how we are using many things in our life, day-to-day life, same size, isn't it? Okay. Now next, activity time for you. Some very interesting activity for you children. Okay. Now what will you require for this? Paper and pencil eraser and colors. Get ready. We'll start with the activity. Now children, we have seen the concept same size. And now I'm going to show you an activity. Now you can see here, teacher has drawn a butterfly already. And if you notice children, the wings of this side is same wing of this side, isn't it? The size is same. So today the activity is same we are going to do. So what are you going to do? You are going to take your favorite colors and just randomly put it like this. And you are going to put it only on one side of the wing. And then you will see some magic. Doesn't this look colorful, children? After you have done like this, what we are going to do is slowly fold this into half. And press like this. Now look at the magic. Wow! Now you can see same print has come on this side of the wing, isn't it? Now to complete the butterfly, we are going to color this and give an outline. Now we can see, children, the butterfly is ready. Same. Okay, bye. Thank you and take care.